McDonald's. Why? Lord of mercy, Papa Jesus. Lord McDonald's. I'm okay. See my face here? I am okay. Okay, wanna see how me look fresh? I've been resting. My face look fat, not true? Anyways, I just come on here for telling us I'm alright. Wanna stop worrying now? See me there? Psh. Let me tell you now what. Why me not come live? I can't wear no bra. And you see me make sure I put up the camera up here so that you know can see me bobby them hang down. So me know I show them like that, just hang down so like slippers. So I decided to just come tell you so I'm alright. I did one surgery on my arm. Both of them. But this one okay. Did it last week Monday. But this one here, yeah. So I have an appointment to go back and see the doctor about it. So I can't wear no brassiere. I have to just make it heal. This one heal. This one alright, but the one here hurt me. So it look like it out to give me some problem. You understand? So I have an appointment tomorrow just to check for make sure it alright. Yeah. But I did have two things under my arm here so where I decide for get them way. Name born with them. So I'm a little daughter actually did have it too. And she did hers. I think about 2 months ago. But you know them young, we older. So and to be honest, it's like I don't know how me have them. You know. She said when we were having party at the house, somebody, one of her friends maybe come over, or her sister, I don't remember. She said somebody use her roll-on. And she get it. She get the lump. Because of that, she get it. So, and it was uncomfortable. But anyways, we just decided to stop by and share something we don't know. Long time I not soon now. But me alright. I'm gonna be back on live soon. As me say, I can't wear no bra. I don't want to see my bobby them hang down. So tomorrow I'm gonna do some digital and flow credit. I'm gonna just record the video and post it. But you know see me well rested, me sleep. Me get rest. Lord Jesus, let me tell you, some of my daughters them I'll cry cause me send them a picture of what it look like. But they kinda nervous too. Like I do it last week. I did it last week, so it's like the two days in advance. How the 1 year look compared to the 1 year. Yeah, but the 1 year alright now. It not give me no trouble. But the 1 year, why me can't wear no bra? Why me not do the live? Yeah. Aye, me shy. Gone back at square one. I talked to a friend Gracie this morning. Yeah. But that's it. Me know no miss me. Me love you too. I miss you, me love you too. And let me tell you something, guys. Only just and just that alone. Because me don't know if you watch the news. Anyways, me not gonna go into that. That is kinda too much. So I'll leave it right there so. Guys, when you see my face I come, this video don't filter. I stop use every damn thing for my face. I may just wash my face with water like me used to. Ease off of the dairy. Me ease off what? Me ease off a lot of things. See my face I come back like it like 85%. It literally like 85%. So I have to ease off of dairy. And me now go back at the facial place. Go do me. Let me tell you, and everybody body a check. You see the things that them use at the facial space, at the facial place, me no normally use nothing for my face. And me can't even think that contribute to why my face break out and been looking so disgusting so long from February. I think because me never used to do facial like that. Me never used to do facial. Me do one last year, but you never do my face anything. And then me been at the one every month since year. So I think it contribute to why my face break out too. And the dairy. Because dairy always break up my face, but not for so long. But look on my face now, how it I get plummy. Woohoo! Yes, my daughters. Anyways, me just come over here, so come feisty, you know, hope. I make you know say my alright. It would have been nice to dep on live a chat with you a little bit, but you know, say, me don't explain that already. Okay? Me love you know. And tomorrow, I have digital, I get digital and flow from Jamaica. So, I got the digital and flow credit giveaway. I'm going to do one video doing that tomorrow. But I just stop by if you tell you say, me miss you too, and me love you too. Okay? Me know you love me. And I get message saying, I can't wait to see me back on live and there's something. That is so nice of fun. You know, make me feel so special. So me know say me have my family over on Facebook and YouTube, but me not really correspond with the ones them over YouTube like that. Some of them over YouTube, me know me have my family them over there. But you know, at this time when you know of sickness, it's like it depend more on your family at home, which my children them and my husband. And honestly, I must tell you, I am grateful. You know, I am grateful to have a family, because a lot of us don't have that person to rely on when they are in a certain time, certain situation, you know, certain illness come across. So it's nice to have. It's nice that I have them. I am so grateful. You know, God know how much I'm grateful. So I almost let out something where maybe I shouldn't let out, but I'm gonna leave it there so phone actually think when me did attack. And myself when I watch the news. So if you don't figure it out, you can always inbox me. But I'm not gonna talk about it. But me love you. But also that it kinda like, you know, well that is just like 2 days ago. Yeah. But pick up on yourself, my Danas. My love you now. I wanna take care of yourself. God bless you now. I wanna soon see me. Stop worrying, man. Stop worrying. See me here now. I wanna stop worrying. I need something to eat. I can't make you see me, Bobby. That's what my grandmother used to say. Bobby. My grandmother used to say Bobby. That is just it. Wanna see me a post? Me a post. I still post. I just can't show certain things. Can't make you see me unbag them drop down like that. I have to wait till this heal up. I can't wear my bra. But see, it not, I can't move my shoulder, but it just swell. And it black and blue. Over here so black and blue. Over here so fine. So I'm gonna check it out tomorrow to see. It have a little, it more, you know, have a little thing, and it feel a little hardish, while this is fine. So yeah, I was on some antibiotic, but what I'm gonna do now, I think I have 2 more set leave, and then I'm gonna go in on my turmeric and ginger. I don't know me already, me a real herbalist, but I have to do what them say right now. But as soon as this done, I'm gone in my bush. And I know me a real herbalist myself. Not for everybody, but for myself. I love drink my bush, so I'm gonna just go in it. I'm gonna go in on my soursop leaf. I can't mix them up. I just take, you know, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We're not gonna do it like that. So after I drink the soursop leaf at least 4 days, give it a little break 2 days, then, you know, or go in on the turmeric and ginger with lime and etc. first for 4 days, give it a 2-day break, and then go up on the soursop leaf. So you know them something that are good for these things when you just do something like this. The turmeric, yes, and you have to tip a little black pepper in there to activate the turmeric, so you can go through your bloodstream and clean out whatever did in your system whenever it fit in there. Okay? Anyways, enough of me. Me will sit down here so and chat on out the whole day. Bye guys. Love you, and on soon see me live, okay? Peace.